And don't believe a lie. Understand me. Walk her down the valley. Pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach. Like the angels do. And you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer. Greater is the one within and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky. And never wait upon the giver. He'll deliver like a dealer. Take her higher, higher. Fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher.
Hey guys, let's quickly do a room tour. As you get in, you get your dining room set up, and this is your view. Right after that, your mini kitchen that has a stove, your glasses, your fridge, as you can see. And then here is the first room. Okay, so wardrobe is small. Okay, bathroom and the toilet. And this is the mirror. This is me. This is your mini dining. There's nothing wow. Your TV set up. Okay. You see your deep freezer. I love it. The other room. Can you see? Also has its own toilet. This is me. They're basically the same. They've got this. And okay, your bathroom, cool stuff, and your cabinets there, small cabinet. And this is our room. I like it because it's got lighting. It's got lighting. It's got that. I'm gonna be doing my. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but yeah, guys, look at my week. I'll be doing my retreat here, and a shower. It's spacious. I don't like that, guys. We are here in Mozambique, and I told you this is our outside. I'll show you our outside. Can you see? I'll show you this whole place. So we're doing just fine. Just gonna show you this place. Look there. This is nothing wow, but I think it's still. There you go. Let's go fetch the ladies. Let's go fetch the ladies. Representing live in Mozambique. Guys, why am I so dark? Why am I so dark? Chagazani.
Eu tenho que ficar preocupado.
She's not there. Okay, fella. So big, so dick and all suddenly. Why is it so dark? Yeah. Hey, Luba. Say hi to South African people, to my YouTube channel. Say hi. Tell them your name. What's your name?
I'm Mario.
Oh, okay.
My name is Mario.
Okay, what are you doing here?
I'm working.
I'm working. Where are you from?
I'm Pumalanga.
Oh, okay. Nangumkhaya wenu ke, guys.
Yeah, boy.
Where are we here? What is this place name?
Osanzaya,
In Mozambique.
Mozambique.
You guys should come here.
Bilene, Osanzaya, Bilene Lodge in Mozambique.
You guys should.
Okay.
Come. How much are your rooms?
Hmm?
How much are your rooms here?
6,000 meets. In rand, it's 1.5.
Per night.
Yeah, per night.
Don't say I don't plug you.
Okay.
I'll show you the place around, you guys don't have time. But for now, bye Mario. Can I?
What you need is just an offering. It's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, is my life. If your glory wants to come in, let it fall. We want it all. Your fire is consuming. Fill this place and set it up.
I hope you're all doing well. So over here, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. So we are here. I just want to show you. Yeah. That's where I'm gonna show you my outfit shortly.
I offered him all of me. I don't know what he wants from me. He's loving me partially, and I just can't do this no more. I know I deserve it more. I can't do this no more. I don't know what he wants. Now tell me, what's your purpose, boy? What do you need? 'Cause I can't love you any more than I love me, especially.
That thing is, tell them the black one. They will see by the Vaselinas and all of those things there. Sharp. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm fine over here. So today it is day 3 of our trip, and we're going for quad biking. And to be quite honest, the girlies are ready. The girlies are ready. The girlies. Sharp tone. So Sana. Yeah. Look at him. Jigela la kufusha na mapumala. Zikhona girls pha. Usathe iskending. Oh, wena kubathe masisithathe iskiya. Yes. The girls. Oh wow. Let's go fetch the skiya chon. So yeah. Hi driver. How are you, driver? As always. As always, driver. Yeah. Yo! The stairs. So yeah. So blue, so blue. So blue.
Okay guys, kupagod sa mga kim silang phone no ya karating.
We are going to Paris. Not to me,
Guys, ang gasta may katulong
we're in Greece. From one island to another. Exactly, man. As you should. Hi, Benji. Hi. How are you? Mama found it. How are you? How are you? I'm satisfied. Hey. As long as it's stayed in my car. Like serious, no one can talent to as long as I'll figure it out. It's what I did next, Captain.
I offered him all of me. I don't know what he wants from me. He's loving me partially, and I just can't do this no more. I know I deserve way more. I can't do this no more. I don't know what he wants. Now tell me, what's your purpose, boy? What do you need? 'Cause I can't love you any more than I offered him all of me. I don't know what are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. You ain't shy, shy, shy. gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? Say my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Say my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, don't wanna bother me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way, and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm here. And my heart can't take no more, I keep on.
Come on. Oh, yeah. Well, I started to tell you so. Yes, I did. But I guess you didn't know. As the sad story goes, baby, now I got the flow. Cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I mean. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Return of the man. Return of the man. Come on. You see me, just you see me.